Hey guys, this is Ashley Mucker coming to you from Ashley Mucker Vlogs. Welcome. Today I'll be cooking and I want you guys to join me for some small talk and get to know me again. Today I'm going to be making some Tuscan creamy salmon with some shrimp, some creamy mashed potatoes, and some broccolini. Let me show you some of my ingredients for today. Of course, we have the shrimp, the salmon fillets. I got some broccolini. We have sun-dried tomatoes, some minced garlic, some heavy whipping cream, some beef broth, extra virgin olive oil, a white onion. I got some yellow potatoes and then regular potatoes. I like to mix it up. I think it blends very well. And then I have some Kinder's salt and pepper blend, some extra pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, some spinach, unsalted butter, and some fresh Tuscan Parmesan cheese. So those will be my ingredients for today. I already have the water boiling and I'm getting ready to heat the pan up to heat up the oil to saute the fillets. So enjoy. All right, I've cut up most of the potatoes, but I have a few left. So let's go ahead and get these cut, chopped, and washed. Like I said, I like to mix the gold potatoes with the brown potatoes. I guess I'm not using the correct terminology for it, but you know what I'm talking about. I like to mix them because it makes it give it a real good consistency. So I have decided to become a content creator. People have been asking us for years, and I say us, meaning my family, because we actually travel a lot, really traveled a lot during the pandemic, and have a lot of memories. So people would say, we would post on Facebook, and people would say, "Wow, you guys need to start a vlog." But back then I wasn't really into vlogging and things like that. So I wish I would have started then. I probably would be a lot more experienced than what I am. If y'all can help me get to 1,000 subscribers, that would be wonderful. Listen, help me out, guys. Share, like, comment, and definitely subscribe. So I have 6 potatoes that I am getting ready to chop and wash. All right, I got the oil, the pan, the frying pan heated up. Take that butter and put it in there. Enhances the flavor. Got the pan gets really warm, nice and hot. I got cleaned off my salmon and dried it. So now what I need to do is put a little olive oil on it so the seasonings will stick. Not too much, just enough. Massage it in. Flip it over. On this, I'm just kind of eyeballing it. I removed the oil and the butter off the fire because it was getting too hot. So, did you guys make any New Year's resolutions? We decided not to do it this year. The world is chaotic right now. You turn on the news and it's just something going on every day. It's just Only resolution I have is to live better than I did the day before. Be more happy, surround myself with people who love me, and never take a day for granted. Not one day. And that's what I'm doing. Surround myself by loved ones, continue to travel. Stay happy, stay blessed, and make the next day better than the day before. And that's it. My New Year's resolution. How about you guys? I'm just thankful to see 2026. All right. Get them in this grease. Sizzling up. Got the potatoes cooking. Next, I need to go ahead and get the broccolini prep. Clean up my area. To flip this over, you do not want to overcook this salmon. And the potatoes are getting close too. But remember, I'm getting ready to flip it so you guys can see. I always try to flip it. Here it's sizzling, mixed up, and we're getting ready to put it in the hot oil. Clean. It's already deveined, so I got the same seasonings that I seasoned the salmon with. I went ahead and put it in for the shrimp. Bear with me here. You don't want to cook these too long. You just want to, till they turn pink. I normally put a little paprika on here, but I didn't have any, so yes I do. Got a cabinet full of seasonings and ran out of that somehow. All right, just gonna pour the rest of that in there. All right, time to flip it over. Like I say, I don't want it to all right, that looks good. I'll go ahead and get the potatoes rinsed off and mashed up. So I've mashed up. Now I'm getting ready to get the blender so that I can blend it and get ready to add the butter and milk and salt. Don't want to blend them too much. I just want them blended enough. Maybe one time or so. All right. What it looks like. Put some milk in there. And rule of thumb, don't put too much milk in there. I had to learn this over time because you're gonna put some butter in there and amongst other things. Some people put heavy cream. I don't normally do all that. Put some butter in there. And, don't be alarmed of how much I put in here. You do your stuff to your liking. That's all I can say. Judge ye not. All right, get that stirred up. That's what this looking like. Get that stirred up. That's where the creaminess comes from. All right, yeah, I like that consistency. You don't want it too thin, you don't want it too thick. You see that? All right, so what I put in my mashed potatoes. Now you may do yours a little different, but I do black pepper, onion powder, and salt to your liking. To your liking. Give it a swirl. All right. Need a little bit more of everything. A little bit more. And a little bit more. That should be enough, because I'm going to season the sauce. You don't want it to be too much seasoning. All right, that's what it's looking like. Creamy. Switched out the pan because I needed the bigger pan for the broccolini, and I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. So what we want to do here is I cut up some onion. Want to cook that down because this is going to go in the sauce. Oh. And then after this cooks down a bit, we're going to add the garlic. And here's the broccolini. And like I said, the shrimp and the salmon still sitting over there. Stir that around. Flipped over. I seasoned this with some black pepper, regular salt. I got some minced garlic in there, and I am cooking it in a little olive oil drizzle and some of that butter. And you just let it cook down. Let it cook down. The potatoes are done. So all we're gonna do here is just let this cook down. It's kind of welted because you don't want it too welted, but you want it to have a nice little crisp taste to it. turn it up a notch. All right. That's getting from here. I'm gonna take, like I say, I'm not measuring it. I'm just kind of going for how my taste buds are. You stir it around. Do not burn the garlic. Let it release, the garlic release. You'll know because you start smelling it, but you don't want to burn it. And then turn down the flame. I'll be right back. Chicken broth in there because I ran out. I'm just running out of everything today, but it's all gonna work. So you want to bring that to a boil. And while I'm doing that, cooking that real good. See how I say you want it to have like a little crisp to it, so you want to turn it up, but you don't want to burn it, so keep your eye on it. Continue to let that cook. And that's coming to a boil. Next, you want to grab your heavy whipping cream. So we'll start with add tomatoes chopped up. I chopped them up with some meat shears because it was too big. So that's what you do. That's still cooking. That's bubbling. Let's get all right. So we went ahead and put that in. You see how it's coming together? It's coming together. We added the spinach. Get that stirred up. Let it wilt down. Let's just add all this back in. Let it cook down. See why we didn't cook it all the way? Because it's got to cook some more. And you put all of that in there. All of those flavors. Cook it down. To add the Parmesan cheese. Get it stirred up in there. This helps thicken it up. Melt it up real quick and get ready to plate your plates. Thank you for hanging out with me, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.